Center-mounted kickstand. Painted black finish. 305 mm, for bikes 22 and over, can be cut to size. For bikes with factory mounting plate, includes bolt. Made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Great kickstand for kids' bike. Searched forever to find a kickstand that was a single piece instead of a screw-down adjustable. This is light and sturdy. I ordered the small, but I must have cut off about 4 inches for my kids' 20 specialized RipRock, so I wonder if I got the big one. Took about 5 minutes to cut it to length with a dremel and then another couple of minutes to grind the edges so that there were no sharp edges. It is marked on the inside as to length. I cut it to 210 mm for the kids' 20-inch bike and it's perfect. No need for a rubber foot to lose as it's thick enough for total stability except for mud. Clearly solid aluminum to be this thick while still light.